Hello again, my most excellent students. This is Math 1635 coming to you from the College Uta page. The title of this lecture is A Terms of Reference Update as Midterms Approach. As always, please be attentive listeners while watching this video. By way of introduction, the midterm date is approaching, and that means our midterm high-stakes assessment is also approaching. And so the purpose of this video is to review when, where, and how this happens. I think I've talked about this, but it bears repeating. And also to review what are the topical outline, or what are the topics that are included on this upcoming exam, and what if you want to get some additional help in preparing for this exam. So that's the scope of this video. As you know, next week marks the 7th week of our 16-week term, and that means 8 weeks would be halfway through. And as previously announced, our midterm testing window will run from Monday, October the 10th through Saturday, October the 15th. Now, please know we will continue to meet in class and cover new material during this time. However, if our class time is the only time that you can possibly take the high-stakes assessment, then I encourage you to take it instead of coming to class, and you can get notes from somebody about what we did in class. I also encourage you to, if at all possible, to take these in the brick and mortar testing centers. There are several of these. There's one in Glen Ellen, there's one in Addison, there's one in Carroll Stream, there's one in Naperville, and there's one in Westmont. And their availability can be seen at this website here, and I captured at least the snapshot of it here. Now, if you go to a brick and mortar testing center, your test will not be explicitly timed as discussed. You will decide how long you spend doing the test. But there is a virtual testing center available if your circumstances require you to do that. This is at cod/academics/testing virtual testing center ASPS. Now here, the COD circumstances is a proctor is specifically scheduled for you. Zoom arrangements are made, and so here your test will be timed, and the time will be 1 hour and 50 minutes. But if you must, you can go to this testing center website, and you can click on Register Now, and you will follow these easy-to-follow 16-step instructions. Now, the days and times when the virtual testing center is available is somewhat limited, although additional sessions may be added during peak times. And again, there's a raft of things that you can review here as information to give you more insight into these 16 steps. A key step is, though, that you will be being proctored, and this will be done through a 2-device method, and so you will have to have your cell phone with a Zoom on it, and that will be how the video monitoring is happening, and they will be watching you over that Zoom, but you'll be taking your test on Blackboard. So again, a lot to consider here, and my recommendation is, if at all possible, just because it's easier for you and more flexible, you just show up, not to do the virtual testing, but the virtual testing is available for you. Here's the topical outline for our midterm Math 1635. There will be 12 equally weighted problems, but some of them may have multiple parts. So topics will be Bayes' theorem, 2 problems dealing with normal distributions, expected values, discrete probability distributions, z-scores, regression and correlation, 5-number summary, binomial probabilities, a probability word problem, a concept problem about mean and standard deviation, and a problem dealing with the requirements for a probability model. Finally, what if you say you would like to do some additional test prep? Well, we have a lot of things available for you. We have the GSGs as scheduled. We have office hours. I have 16 office hours per week. And we also have access to Learning Commons with over 70 hours per week. And here you have one-touch access on your Blackboard screen. So lots of help is available if you want to make yourself avail yourself to this help. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math, it will make you strong. And now more than ever, take care of yourself because self-care is important. And now more than ever, take care of each other because we're all in this together. Every day, strive to make a difference. As I close, then, God bless you all. Look forward to seeing you in class. Please take care.